that once again is off a cliff. It's like, we've been told to go off a cliff 3 times now.
Turn left.
Like, legitimately. Now, you
It's
might
like
say...
it keeps telling us to go into people's like yards and stuff. To turn this weird.
Yeah. Maybe curve to the left, but there's no turning.
But no, because like again, yeah, it rerouted us. Like that was to loop around again. It keeps rerouting us.
All I know is I'm gonna keep driving.
It's a fun road.
It's an incredible road. Ha!
Yeah, it does not.